Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I am going to bring some sentences, English sentences regarding tooth and toothache. मेरा दांत हिल रहा है, मेरे दांत में दर्द है. How would you say these sentences in English? So in today's video, I am going to discuss all these things. Let's start the video. मेरा एक दांत हिल रहा है, मेरा एक दांत हिल रहा है. How would I say this? In Hindi we say like that, मेरा एक दांत हिल रहा है. I have seen many people say like this, my teeth is moving, my tooth is moving. They actually don't understand the difference between tooth and teeth. Tooth is in singular form and teeth is in plural form. Tooth मतलब एक दांत, teeth मतलब मेरे बहुत सारे दांत. तो one tooth is if you're in this position like हिल रहा है. How would I say this? Many people say like my tooth is moving. No, it should not be like that. You would say my one tooth is loose. My one tooth is loose. मेरा एक दांत हिल रहा है. मेरे दांत में दर्द है, मेरे दांत में दर्द है. How would you say this? मेरे दांत में दर्द है. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. Or you can say in another way, that is, my tooth hurts a lot. My tooth hurts a lot. उसका दांत नकली है, उसका दांत नकली है. We have seen so many people, they have no real teeth. And in older age, we can see like that we generally lost our teeth. And at that moment, we try to go to dentist and tell them that please provide me a set of false teeth. Then how can you say like this, उसका दांत नकली है या उसके सारे दांत नकली है? You would say like, he has a set of false teeth. He has a set of false teeth. मेरा एक दांत गिर गया. मेरा एक दांत गिर गया. How would you say this? मेरा एक दांत गिर गया. I have seen one student of mine, he tried to tell very smartly like, my one tooth has fallen down. No, it's not correct. It's okay. He has tried and that's a big thing. But no, it should be said as, I lost my one tooth. I lost my one tooth. मेरा एक दांत गिर गया. I lost my one tooth. मुझे एक दांत निकलवाना पड़ेगा. मुझे एक दांत निकलवाना पड़ेगा. How would you say this in English? Many people say like that, I have to get my teeth, I have to get my tooth removed. I have to get my tooth plucked away. No, you should say like this, I have to get my tooth extracted. I have to get my tooth extracted. In case of tooth or teeth, you should use the term extract. Extract, not pluck, not remove. बेटी की एक दांत आ रही है. मेरी बेटी की एक दांत आ रही है. Yes, I have a daughter and who is just 2 years old, and now she has a lot of teeth. But at that moment when she was having new teeth, at that point I felt like that उसकी नई दांत आ रही है. So how would I say that मेरी बेटी की दांत आ रही है? I would say this in this way, my daughter is teething. My daughter is teething. दांत आ रही है या दांत उठ रही है या दांत उठ रहा है, means new teeth is there which is coming out. So I should say like that, my daughter is teething. मेरी अकल दांत आ रही है. मेरी अकल दांत आ रही है. At this time we can't say teething. At this time we can say like that, my wisdom tooth is growing. My wisdom tooth is growing. मेरा अकल दांत आ रहा है. मेरा अकल दांत आ रहा है. My wisdom tooth is growing. या मेरी अकल दांत आ रही है. My wisdom tooth is growing. At that time, I should not say my wisdom tooth is teething. My wisdom tooth is growing. तुम्हारे मुंह से बदबू आ रही है. तुम्हारे मुंह से बदबू आ रही है. This is the thing happens when we don't brush our teeth. So this is really something which is pointing out your unhygienic state. So how would you say? तुम्हारे मुंह से बदबू आ रही है. You should say like this. Your mouth is stinking. Your mouth is stinking. And you can also say in another way, in a polite way, like you are having a bad breath. You are having a bad breath. We can see that sediments get built upon our teeth. The whole teeth look like yellowish. So those are sediments and we need to clear them out. So we say in Hindi like, मेरा दांत साफ करवाना होगा. So we are pointing at that we need to clear our mouth, we need to clear our sediments which got built up on our teeth by dentists. So how can we say that in English? We can say that in English like my teeth need scaling. My teeth need scaling. So that's all for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye.